Good morning, folks. Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV. Going to give you a tour this morning of this Bighorn 3270 residential Four Seasons unit. Going to start off right here in the front with this nice full fiberglass automotive painted front cap. Nice large compartment where you can add a generator. You've got dual batteries in there. If you don't want to use that area for a generator, you can certainly use it for your heavier items like toolboxes, barbecues, etc. 6-point leveling system coming down the side, full electric awning with LED lighting. You've got marine grade speakers, nice large full capacity storage, full pass through, additional power, cable hookup for another TV if you want to put another TV out here, and again more power yet. So you want to run those extra items out here, you've got the capacity to do that. Large propane tanks, fully lighted compartment, aluminum step, large grab handle moving in. Unit's going to come with a Dyson vacuum. Coming into the living area, you're going to notice that your hard surface countertops are carried throughout the trailer, including in the bathroom area. Large full residential television, fireplace that acts as a furnace. You've got a surround sound system, CD, DVD, Bluetooth compatible. And what's really cool about this, you've got a full couch here that pulls out into a king size bed. Over here we're going to notice that we've got the dining room table and chairs. These seats are Thomas Payne Furniture, which is a residential furniture company. They come, they've got heat, massage, fully electric. They've got a lighted cup holder. And looking into the kitchen area, you'll notice lots of cabinet space, huge pantry. You've got a larger capacity on your range, nice full oven with glass door, electric igniter. On the microwave, we've got a microwave convection oven, double bowl sink, nice large countertop with a 4-door refrigerator freezer. Coming up into the bathroom area, you'll notice that in the bathroom area we've got a nice large corner shower, and it's a one-piece shower. Tons of room for your linen and toiletry items, nice medicine cabinet, porcelain toilet. And again, folks, you'll notice this is actually a hard surface countertop all the way through. Coming into the bedroom area, we've got a nice large king-size bed. You've got nightstands or shelves on both sides, USB ports on both sides to charge the phone. Both of those windows do open to allow cross ventilation. You've got MCD day-night shades, a full walk-in closet with a safe, and yes, the unit is washer dryer ready. Notice this also has a TV in the bedroom and a nice nightstand, four dresser drawers. Again, we've got frameless windows. Those are really nice for here in the Northwest. Nice tire and wheel setup on this unit. You've got a full fiberglass back cap. It's not just a Phylon back cap, it's actually a full fiberglass back cap with a ladder to go up to the roof. Electric power cord outlet right there. Additional storage on the side. And coming right around to the back to the front, you'll notice we've got a full docking station. Everything is right there inside the docking station. Your dump valves, your outdoor shower, water hookups, water heater bypass, extra large water heater. And again, on this unit, you'll notice all of your plumbing is tucked up underneath, so nothing hanging down low. You've got a sewer hose holder right there. It is set up for portable solar panel. Again, 6-point leveling system. This is a fabulous living unit. It's a residential unit. It's warranted as a residential unit. If you have any questions on it, please contact me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guarantee.com. Thank you and have a great day.